Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing fine. So I thought of coming up with a crash course on statistical thermodynamics, which will have not more than 4 to 5 videos, and that has been divided in two different parts. So in the first video, I'll be discussing mostly the introductory part, the ensembles, the types of particles, the number of arrangements you can have for different type of particles at different conditions, all those things. At the same time, I'll also do a brief discussion on partition function. I'll not go into details of the derivations and all, just focus only on the expressions, equations, how you can remember them, and the physical significance. So the videos will not be anything more than 25 to 30 minutes, maybe less than that. And followed by that, in the second video, I'll be discussing the questions that have come in NetGate and TIFR from the topics that I've discussed in video 1. Likewise, in third video, I'll be discussing partition functions and its relation to thermodynamic properties. Similarly, partition function for all kind of transitions you can have, and partition functions applied to transit state theory. Again, in the next video, fourth video, that will probably be the last video, I'll be discussing all the questions that have come previously from statistical thermodynamics for all the topics that have been discussed in the previous video. So I'm planning to make the series at least and maximum 4 to 5 videos long, because I've already discussed statistical thermodynamics in detail on my channel. So for people who are looking for a crash course directly and not go much into details, for them it will be helpful, and I hope it helps everybody. So please do subscribe to the channels to stay updated with the lectures that I keep making, and I hope the lectures are helpful. Bye bye.